Hi friends, welcome back. Let us start with ratio analysis. So look at page number 2, ratio analysis, and then you have 4 boxes. First one is types of ratios. Next one is application of ratios in decision making, what type of decisions we make and how we use ratio analysis for that. Okay. Put this decisions in box in your notes right now. Decisions, underline. Under that, write down point number 1. Financing decisions. Point number 2. Investing decisions. Point number 3. Dividend decisions. So if someone asks you, how many types of decisions financial management deals with? In financial management, we deal with normally 3 types of decisions. One is financing decisions that deal with how to bring money, how to generate capital. I want to start business. So sometimes, even at my age and my level also, I come across many of my friends or clients or people in general, those who say, if I have capital, I will do this business. But idiot, first try to understand, if you are a businessman, your first technique is to generate capital, no? Dhirubhai Ambani did not say, if I have capital, I'll do business. First, his success started with how can I mobilize capital, isn't it? Watch Guru movie, you'll enjoy it. So your success starts with mobilization of capital. You cannot say, I don't have capital. If I have capital, I'll do this business. No, never. So think about it. How can I generate capital? So should I issue equity shares? I want to issue equity shares, but who will buy my equity share? Should I issue preference shares? Should I borrow money from bank or financial institution, or shall I generate money from my friends? Today, crowdfunding, venture capital, private equity, foreign currency, convertible bonds. So how many ways are there? For this, your chapter 2, types of financing. That chapter 2 is there. No, in that you will learn what are various types of finance, and that is financial decision. So in decisions, there are 3 types of decisions. One is financing decisions. Second one is investing decisions. So you mobilized money in step 1, financing decisions. You mobilized money and money is there on your table. Say 10 crores is given to you. 10 crores money is given to you. Whatever ad hoc things you do, how impulsively you spend money, you are gaining more and more money can happen only in Arunachalam movie where Rajinikanth is hero. But if you are a businessman, you need to break your head in understanding which is which is probably a better investment proposition than other. So you should know where to invest, how to invest, when to invest. Where to invest, how to invest, when to invest. This is called investment decision. This is called investment decision. So if you are a businessman, you should know where to invest, how to invest. For example, look at any strategic level manager. Say for example, Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, Azim Premji. Okay, of course, Azim Premji retired now. So what these kind of people do? They make decisions. So it is the decision of Ratan Tata whether to start business A or business B, whether to continue business P or business Q, whether to exit from business X or business Y. So he will decide. So Elon Musk will decide, I'll start this business. I will invest money in this particular project. I'll invest money in this particular country. I'll invest money in this particular factory. I'll invest money in this particular asset. I'll invest money in this particular financial instrument. I'll invest money in this particular business, particular project, particular program, particular geography. So these are called investment decisions. Okay. Say, for example, after becoming a chartered accountant, you want to buy a car. So you will get so many options. You have so many options. You can go to Maruti or you can go to Hyundai. And even if you want to go to Maruti, in Maruti, how many options are there again? So I will invest money in this building. I will invest money in this particular factory. This is called investment decision. That is second type of decision. Third type of decision is dividend decision. Third type of decision is dividend decision. So I mobilized money step 1. I invested money step 2. When I invested money in step 2, I will earn profits now, isn't it? When I earn profits, how much of the profits will go into taxes? Profits before tax, say 10 crores. How much of tax you'll have to pay? That is tax. Then it becomes profits after tax. So PBT, in your notes, you can write down profits before tax. So normally you might have heard, you have revenue, less you have expenses. So you have revenue, right? XXX, less expenses. This is your profit before tax. Then less tax. So this is called profit after tax. Correct? This is called profit after tax. So from profit after tax, say for example, I got 10 crores for the year. 10 crores PAT I got for the year 2024. At the end of the year, if I am the finance controller, or if I am director finance, or if I am chief financial officer, CF of the company, it is my decision as to how much of this 10 crores is going to be distributed to owners. This is called dividend. How much of this 10 crores is going to be retained? This is called reserves. So, for example, I made a decision, I'll pay 6 crores to my shareholders. So I distribute 6 crores. If I have, say, for example, 1,000 shares, for example, this 6 crores will be divided among, like partnership firm. You and I did a business. We earned 1 crore. You are 50% partner, I'm 50% partner. So at the end of the year, if 1 crore profit is there, you'll take 50 lakhs, I'll take 50 lakhs, no? Correct? That is distribution of profits. Sometimes you can say, hey, Pavan, we are doing, fantastic job in the business. Why don't we reinvest that money in the business only, Pavan? Anyway, you are well off. I am well off. You don't want 50 lakhs now. I don't want 50 lakhs now. Why don't we just take 20 lakhs so that we can enjoy with the 20 lakhs? And remaining 60 lakhs, we will reinvest in the business. Good option. So 4 crores is retained. You understand this? These are called dividend decisions. So again, coming back, how many decisions are there in FM? Decisions in financial management. 1, financing decisions. 2, investing decisions. And 3, dividend decisions. So what this deals with? Mobilization of capital. How do we pool capital? This is how do we invest? How do we use capital? Or we can say that effective usage of funds. This is mobilization of capital or funds. This is effective usage or investments. Effective usage of funds or investments. Then how much to distribute and how much to retain. How much to distribute or how much to retain. These are the decisions. If you are finance head of a company, you will do these 3 things. That's all. Under every decision, again, there will be so many modules, okay? But more or less, this is a broad, macro level picture. So this is decision making. So in making so and so decisions, can we use ratio analysis? For example, investment decisions, where to invest. Look here. For example, I have 2 options. I have 1 crore and I want to invest it in equity shares of a company, and I have identified India as my market, and I have identified software. So I have identified 2 companies. So this is Infi, this is TCS, Infosys and TCS. Now you calculated return on equity of Infosys and TCS. The return on equity of Infosys is 22% and return on equity of TCS is, say, for example, 38%. These are not actual rates. These are numeric, hypothetical numbers just for classroom purpose. Okay. So now you tell me, you do not have any strong knowledge in financial management because you are a beginner. You started learning FM just now. But not with your FM knowledge. Use your common sense and tell me, You have 1 crore rupees. Will you invest money in this Infosys? You'll earn 22, or you'll invest in TCS? Obviously, you'll invest in TCS. No? So don't you think what you have done now, just now, what you have done just now, using ratio analysis for decision making. Oh my God. You understand it? So this is what application of ratio analysis in decision making. So far clear everything? Can we move further?